Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of adding a Visa gift card to your iPad. Let's get started. Step 1 is check your Visa gift card balance. First, you need to check the balance of your Visa gift card. Open your browser and go to the official website of the gift card issuer or call the number on the back of the card. Log in or enter the card details to verify the balance. This is essential to ensure the card is activated and ready to use. Then step 2 is open the wallet app. Next, go to your iPad's home screen and open the wallet app. This is where you can add and manage cards for payments. Head to the step 3, tap the plus button to add a card. In the wallet app, look for the plus sign in the top right corner, tap it to begin adding a new card. Step 4 is select credit or debit card. Now you will see options to add different types of cards. Select credit or debit card to add your Visa gift card. Step 5 is enter your card details. Manually enter your Visa gift card number, expiration date and security code. Or use your iPad's camera to scan the card details. Double check the information to ensure there are no errors. Step 6 is verify the card. Once the details are entered, you may need to verify the card. The wallet app will prompt you to confirm via text, email or by logging in into the card issuer's website. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Step 7 is test the card. After adding the card, make a small test process to confirm it's working. Open the App Store, select a low-cost app or subscription and try using the Visa gift card at checkout. It's not mandatory, it's up to you. Then troubleshoot tips. If your Visa card doesn't work, check the balance again or ensure it's registered with a billing address on the issuer's website. Some merchants require an address for verification. And there you have it. You have successfully added a Visa gift card to your iPad. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.